traders, the NAS 100. Now I did a video on this recently. If you go through my videos here in TradingView, this one here, I talked about this imbalance in that last video, and I was expecting a move back into the imbalance. So those of you who went long on the break of market structure, well done. You would have had quite a nice little outcome, maybe a 2R. But what I'm interested in is, where to from here. So you can see it reacted off this level. This is the imbalance. Okay, it's rebalanced, trading back down into another imbalance right there. It's touched it, but it hasn't traded through or traded into it. So it's moved from this level with speed. We can see this is an order block, given that we have this bullish imbalance now off this level. So you want to be a little bit careful. This is giving us a potential sign that this could move bullish, but I'm expecting a little bit more downside. So let's just have a look at that. I'm going to clear everything, remove 16 drawings. There's a lot. Okay, let's just go out to the daily, and the thing that you want to watch for is this here, this lower high. Right, it's not really, it's not the best looking chart to get involved with. This is, right, that's generally what I'm really looking for. But when you see it drop down like that, okay, so this is a pretty precarious bit of price action here. Let's go back down to the 4H. All right, here's the thing with this. I am expecting a little bit more movement south down into this imbalance. So we got today, tomorrow. That could be a thing. And then after that, I'm thinking into the new year, I'm expecting this to rally. All right, so we got, just have a look at the weekly time frame. Just go out to the bigger picture, clear it. Yeah, see? It's in a bullish trend on the weekly. But yeah, towards the end of the month, we've got this candle with the wick above and below, and it's a little bit undecided right now. But definitely I'll be looking for continuation to the upside into the new year. All right, so that's it, guys. I would expect possibly a bit more bearish momentum between now and the end of the year, possibly, and then I'm thinking early January, which it's not that far away, we should see it rally, and then I'll be looking for signs of upward momentum. And you want to have a look at these levels here. Let's just mark these up. This high, and then over here. Right, now you want to see a break of both of these levels. I'm going to get seriously long if this breaks this high here. Right, that's what I'm really. That's a break of market structure right there, and the pullback into retest. Right, so that's what I'm looking for ASAP. Right, so it could take a little while for this to make its move, but yeah, that's what I'll be looking for with the NAS 100. So at the moment, I'm not trading it, but yeah, come the new year, I'm going to be looking for the opportunity, and I want to see that. Because if you get into a trend when it kicks off, I mean, look, this is the sort of thing, right? When you see it trending like this, and I'll show you my strategy: swing low, swing high, retrace buy, low, high, retrace buy. There was one here, low, high, retrace buy. You want to see it moving. Always be careful when you see that, but then it kicks in again, and we're away, right? Yeah, you want to watch out, because you don't know how far the pullback. Hang on, guys, I'm stuck in drawing mode. You don't know how far this is going to go. Right, you want to watch that. So that's why I'm always looking for. See this break here, and then the break here. This is the break of market structure back here. So once that breaks, then this is the opportunity. Right, so this paints the picture perfectly, because we don't know if we're going to see this continue down. So we could pretty well pick up these drawings and pull it over here, right? Because we've got this lower high. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on, but yeah, just be careful of that, guys. And this buy on break of structure, go long on BOS whenever that occurs. All right, so that's my take on the NAS 100. I wouldn't be trading this week, guys. It's not a good week. It's the worst week of the year to trade. So don't trade for the sake of trading. It's risky, but definitely on a demo account, play around. There's very little liquidity in the market. Spreads are wider than usual, and you're going to probably find some surprise moves. Let's just show you something here. Where are we? The AXY. I mean, look at that, guys. There's no reason for that other than it's just crazy run on liquidity. You know, there's no data coming out to support a strong Aussie, and I mean that just blasted north out of nowhere. You know, so watch out, guys. Be careful. So yeah, with that, I hope you gained something from the video, and if this was of value to you, please comment, smash the likes and do all that. Give me a rocket or whatever, a boost, and I'll see you in the next one.